In this week's episode, come with us as we continue to explore another location about 1 hour 30 minutes from Mount Magnet. Our destination is Dalgaranga Crater. The crater was discovered by an Aboriginal stockman named Billy Seward in 1921. The meteorites were found shortly after by Gerard Wellard, the station manager, when Seward took him to the site. Though discovered in 1921, it was not until 1923 that meteorite fragments were sent to the Western Australian Museum, and it was not reported in the scientific literature until 1938. The discovery of fragments of mesosiderit's Tony iron meteorite around the crater confirms an impact origin, making this crater unique as the only one known to have been produced by a mesosiderite projectile. Asymmetries in the crater structure and the ejector blanket imply that the projectile impacted at low angle from the south-southeast.
A few moments later.
Join us as we explore Geraldton, Western Australia. Our story begins with the birth of this mighty vessel. Originally laid down in 1933 as HMS Phaeton, at Newcastle on Tyne. But destiny had other plans. She was later acquired by the Commonwealth of Australia and rechristened as HMAS Sydney II. With her keel firmly laid, she was launched on the 22nd of September 1934, proudly entering the seas on the 24th of September 1935. As the world plunged into the chaos of the Second World War, HMAS Sydney II was called upon to serve in the Mediterranean. Her maiden action took place on the 21st of June 1940, when she bombarded the Libyan port of Bardia. But it was merely the beginning of her illustrious journey. Just a week later, on the 27th of June 1940, she sailed alongside a cruiser squadron, providing vital cover for convoys. It was on the 28th of June 1940 that HMAS Sydney II etched her name in history, sinking the Italian destroyer, Espero. But the real climax came on the 19th of July 1940. In a breathtaking display of tactical prowess, HMAS Sydney II engaged the lightning-fast Italian cruiser, Bartolomeo Colleoni, ultimately disabling her. The pursuit didn't end there. She set her sights on another Italian cruiser, Giovanni del Bonnere, only to reluctantly abandon chase due to ammunition shortages. Returning home to Australia in triumph, HMAS Sydney II continued her valiant service, escorting convoys overseas and safeguarding the waters of Western Australia. One such memorable occasion was her visit to Geraldton, where she graced the shores 3 times, the last being from the 18th to the 20th of October 1941. And thus, the legacy of HMAS Sydney II continues to inspire, a testament to the bravery and indomitable spirit of those who sailed her into the annals of naval history. Today, the HMAS Sydney II Memorial at Mount Scott, Geraldton, Western Australia, stands as a beautiful memorial. Lest we forget. After losing our drone on the Nullarbor, we just couldn't wait for replacements, so while here in Geraldton we purchased another one, and this was its maiden flight. It was its one and only. As it flew back, we misjudged and clipped something and came crashing down. Luckily we were able to retrieve it.